One courtroom, two defendants, and decisions that could change their lives forever, facing serious assault charges and years behind bars. Both men stand before a judge whose next words will determine whether they walk away with a second chance or lose everything. But as shocking details emerge about mental health, violent confrontations, and accountability, this hearing takes unexpected turns no one saw coming. Stay until the end to witness how justice, compassion, and consequences collide in one unforgettable courtroom battle. In the end, both defendants avoided immediate jail time.
All right, did you apply for deferred adjudication in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you sign them? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am. He reviewed them with me and I understand.
Okay. And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
I believe I did, yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment in each cause number?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stating cause number 2023 CR 1268, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
And in cause number 2023 CR 1269, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? In the cause numbers, you're charged with assault, bodily injury, security officer, and assault emergency service personnel, bodily injury. Each of those charges are third-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call them the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am. It was explained.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into pleas in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
In each of the cause numbers, did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years, if any, to Colin, C-O-L-I-N, Johnson, and Jason Bonebrake, B-O-N-E-B-R-A-K-E, and also restitution, if any, to Bailey Fowler, B-A-I-L-E-Y-F-O-W-L-E-R. And also, is this Jason Bonebrake?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right. All right. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of the cause numbers? Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 7 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Colin Johnson, Bailey Fowler. Is there to be no contact with Jason Bonebrake as well?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, and no contact with Jason Bonebrake. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then in each of the cause numbers, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead no contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
State offer State Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, states, you may continue to confer. In each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them? Did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
I signed everywhere.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented and stipulated and stipulated to stipulations of testimony. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in each cause number. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I would like this incident here, it's an unfortunate incident. He's just asking the court to follow the plea agreement and for adjudication.
All right. The court's understanding from reading the report is there was an emergency detention hold. So, Mr. Castillo, are you on any type of medications or do you have a doctor?
I am prescribed. There was some miscommunications when I changed phone numbers from UT psychiatry, and there was a lapse, and I used some leftover medication to kind of get me through, but I'm currently waiting on orientation from Mind Yourself Counseling to obtain a new prescription of olanzapine.
All right. Which counsel is that? I mean, which doctor is that?
I'm uncertain because I'm in a program where I have a case.
Oh, just 1 second. Excuse me. If you all can move down to that end, please.
I have a liaison that sends out referrals, and so they contacted me for orientation, but I was incarcerated last month, so I missed it. So I'm just awaiting a new orientation to get connected to their services.
So who are you getting connected through? What's the name of the?
Sam Ministries. They send out a referral, and Mind Yourself contacts me. I believe they're their own organization, separate as a separate entity.
So are you current on your medications and stabilized
Right
now?
now, I'm not on medication, but I'm seeking, I would like to be.
Okay, so we're going to have to get that done ASAP.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you employed?
I am employed part-time for the past 3.5 years with an independent contractor doing interior, exterior painting, as well as just drywall, general construction, and detail landscaping for residential. And I'm currently seeking extra employment with restaurants. Previous, I used to work in culinary industry, so I'd like a full-time job to be able to.
What's your specialty?
Because
we're all about food in the 187 District Court. Just don't tell anybody. So what's your specialty?
Fine dining. My most reputable place here was in La Villita at the Fig Tree. I learned a lot there from their chefs. I've worked at Cheesecake Factory before, other various restaurants.
All right. Cheesecake Factory has a nice lemon meringue cheesecake.
Yes, ma'am.
I haven't been eating it, so let my mom know because I'm doing my diet thing. But I'm trying to figure out when I can have a cheat day so I can at least have a slice of it.
Yes, when I'm not working, I volunteer with the custodial staff at my church. When available, when they have extracurricular events, I just try to help break down tables, move chairs, clean up, and do what I can. They helped me through homelessness in the past, and I grew great friendships with a lot of their staff.
And which church is this?
University United Methodist Church.
Okay, I think I may have been there. I've been to a lot of churches.
It's on I attended Isabella by Clark High School and Lock Hill Elementary.
Oh, yes, I have been there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's a very good church.
Yeah. So we're going to try to see what we can do to get you the help that you need. Do you have any children?
I have a 14-year-old. I have joint custody, but he's resided with his mother for most of his life.
Okay. All right. So this is what we're going to do. And each cause number, I'm going to follow your agreement. All right. I'm going to sentence you to 7 years deferred adjudication.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. There's to be no contact and restitution to, well, no contact with and restitution to Bailey Thank you. All right, Bailey Fowler and Jason Bonebreak and Colin Johnson. I want him evaluated for MIC. So we're going to do a MIC evaluation. I want a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. Each case will run concurrently. Is there any drug issues?
Yes, ma'am. In the past, I've had problems with marijuana and alcohol.
All right, let's do a referral with felony drug court. And the reason why I'm sending you to felony drug court is because felony drug court will be able to help you with all the mental health. Well, they'll help you navigate the governmental mental health so we can get you with your medication sooner and your
May I
treatment sooner.
ask, is this like some sort of like separate trial, or is just like an?
No, what will end up
service?
happening is if felony drug court, if they're able to accept you, they will be over your probation. And if you're able to complete things early, they can also recommend to the court that you be terminated from probation early.
Oh, thank
But
you,
they're
ma'am.
just going to get you on the right path.
Thank you,
now-
ma'am.
You're welcome. Now, I will tell you this, sometimes they're at capacity and they won't be able to take you. But I think that would be a good fit for you because they'll be able to help with all of the other issues.
Yes, ma'am. Also recently, I've been doing, well, since last year, the online AA meetings from, Club 12 off of Ames Drive. However, I do prefer to go in person, but I do accept and realize that, I do need to stay in constant sobriety and I could utilize a good support system.
All right, thank you. So in each case, there's proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. Once you are stabilized and probation lets me know that you're on your medications and everything is okay, then the court will consider changing that. So you can still have contact with
Like
your
my
child.
family and stuff like that.
Yes, but family will have to be there, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to require parenting classes with Triple P. Once you completed parenting classes, that will satisfy your 200 hours of community service restitution. And of course, I always think community service hours are great. So if you still want to do them at the church, you can still do them at the church as well.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to ask for field visits one time per month, and probation, if you want those field visits to satisfy his monthly reporting, then that can satisfy the monthly reporting. There's to be $200 fine in each cause number that will be probated. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No, ma'am, I just want to thank you. I don't take any of the severity and I'm very ashamed to be in your court, but I'm thankful that you showed grace and fair judgment.
Thank you so much. And thank you for addressing appropriately for court. I appreciate that. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So, Mr. Castillo, in order to be successful on probation, it's going to require you to be in communication with probation. If there's any issue you feel probation maybe it's not addressing or nobody's listening to you, you can always come to court. We're here Monday through Friday. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Calling 2025 CR 014693 State versus Lawrence Williams. Can I have parties approach and announce for the record?
Mr. Williams?
All right, and are you Mr. Williams? Yes. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Williams, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? You're gonna need to speak up so that,
ma'am.
counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily.
No objection.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
You're charged, well, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor. Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, or to both.
Mr. Williams, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
threatened.
You take the plea?
Oh, no,
All right. So, let me try it again. Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or forced you to accept this plea?
no,
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no,
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
yes,
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine to be probated. The state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be your plea?
yes,
State defense?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
yes,
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes,
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Juan Pablo Medina and Raul Ramirez, and anger management course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state?
yes,
And the court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yeah.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contact.
State, any evidence?
It offers states one an attachment.
No objection.
All right,
Judge.
state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that the state will be presenting evidence today in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's
but only under strict conditions that demand accountability, rehabilitation, and lasting change. Judge Stephanie Boyd made one thing unmistakably clear: a second chance is earned through actions, not promises, and one wrong decision could send either man straight back before the court. Cases like these remind us that justice isn't only about punishment, it's about whether someone truly chooses to change when given the opportunity. If you enjoyed this courtroom breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next case, because the next verdict could be even more unbelievable.